What's up guys, I'm here at Rc-Xtreme down at the Gravelpit this Saturday midday, and we had some serious bad weather the past week here, so it was really fun to come out. And the first session is done with the XMAXX 8S, and it's working flawless. The graphene packs deliver good amount of power, and the new dual fan setup working real good. And since I'm running this 1600 kV motor on 2050 if I'm not wrong, and it feels really good. I'm gonna take out the Max XS after this one. Just want to show you where took some jumps today, so stay tuned. Yeah, this is the regular start of the regular sessions. Jumping over this, transfer and landing smooth down here, and they have been working real hard down here at the quarry, and as you can see, the step off piles are great. Just a minor adjustment here at the bottom. So standing here, and this is the summit edge, and landing down there, and then drive this way up. So this session was real fun. Time to get that Max 68 up. Bye.